How to use Gmail like a pro. There are many instances and features on Gmail where you might not have been able to utilize to its fullest potential. Now, some of the things that I'm going to show you in this video will be very helpful. So if it does help you, then do make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. The first tip that I'm going to show you is if you're getting lots of spam emails, instead of going through each of these emails and unsubscribing them, Gmail has recently launched a new feature. On the left hand side, you can see the option called Manage Subscriptions, and when you go here, you'll see all of these services that you've subscribed to. So if you want to unsubscribe from them, you can simply click on the unsubscribe button right there, and you'll be able to unsubscribe from those emails as you'd be able to see. So this is the first tip. The second tip I'm going to show you is also very useful. When you click on the gear icon from the top right hand side, you can go to see all settings, which will take you to settings page. Here, by default, your maximum page size will only be set to 50 conversations per page. Sometimes you might be in need of more conversations to be shown up in a single page. So in that case, you can select 100. Third thing is, whenever you send an email, you have up to 5 seconds by default to undo that send. Now, you can increase that send cancellation period for up to 30 seconds right here. And these are simply some of the tips and much more advanced ones. Once you're done making the changes, you can tap on the Save Changes button from the bottom of the screen. That's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.